Hi everyone, and welcome to Danik and Lesha channel. In this video I show you how to solve a jigsaw puzzle with Peppa Pig and her family. There are 24 pieces in the puzzle, and I start to make a frame from the pieces. Yeah. It's a big room and Peppa's family. Mommy, Daddy, George and Peppa. Peppa draws very beautifully and she decided to show her pictures to Mommy, Daddy and George. Yeah, it's Peppa with George. Mommy's head. Yeah. It's her pictures on the wall. Daddy's head. I put together the pieces here. Yeah. Peppa with Daddy. A lot of pictures. So nice pictures of Peppa. Mommy, Daddy, and the last? George. Here it is. Today I showed you how to properly solve the Peppa Pig puzzle, which consists of 24 pieces. I thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!